The new Extruded Core Technology radiators from Flex-A-Lite set a new bar in the aftermarket radiator business. Instead of using a single core, 2-core, 3-row, or 4-row technology, these use extruded core technology. This technology provides better cooling, it's much stronger, and is very lightweight. Let me walk you through all the details of this new line of performance radiators from Flex-A-Lite. The key technology in the new Flex-A-Lite radiators is this extrusion. You can see these channels are extremely precise. This tube is also flat, so when the fins are brazed to it, it's 100% contact patch between the fin and the tube. There are also louvers cut inside or punched inside of each one of these fins. This improves heat transfer significantly in the radiator. Here you can see how the ends of the extrusion come through the header on the radiator. This has 100 psi burst strength. Now typical pressures inside a radiator are between 15 psi and upwards of 30 or 34 psi. So you're never going to reach that 100 psi threshold that these radiators are engineered and manufactured to withstand. The Flex-A-Lite Extruded Core Technology radiators are available for many applications as direct fit. That means no cutting and no drilling. And we have several that are available for LS engine swaps in most of the popular vehicles. There are also universal applications available. The radiators are covered by an exclusive 2-year transferable warranty. You can purchase the radiators as radiator only, or you can purchase them with a Flex-A-Lite electric fan, and it comes pre-mounted at the factory just like this. Go to flexalite.com to learn more about the Extruded Core Technology radiators, to see all of our applications, and for warranty details.